Hello my internet friends, John Gibson here with I Need Examples. Today we will cover the days function. The days function requires two arguments, end date and start date. The days function will return the number of days between the two dates. In this example we have a list of values. Let's add our formula to the table to see our results. In column C2, let's enter equals days, open parentheses, A2 for our end date, comma, B2 for our start date, and hit enter. In C2, we can see 364. This is the number of days between two dates, December 31st, 2023 and January 1st, 2023. In C3, we also see 364. Cells A3 and B3 are the numeric values of the dates December 31st, 2023 and January 1st, 2023. In C4, again, we see 364. Cell A4 is a text value and will be treated as a date value, giving us a valid date to use in the days function. In C5, we see a num error. This is because A5 date value falls outside the range of a valid date represented as a number. In C6, we see a value error. B6 cannot be parsed as a valid date since Excel dates start on January 1st, 1900. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Comment below if you would like to see examples on a specific topic. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.